Welcome to English Quiz Channel. Total questions, 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started.
She opened the door when she entered. He received a call from his friend. We danced to the music during the party. The teacher gave the exam to the students. I forgot my wallet in the car. She sang a beautiful song at the concert. They ate dinner at the new restaurant. We took a taxi to the airport. He knew the answer immediately. The flowers died after a week. She sent me a surprise gift. The sun set down in the evening. We waited for the train at the station. He took off his shoes before entering the house. The children ate the cake eagerly. She told me a story about her childhood. They watched the new movie together. car stopped at the red light. I met my friend at the airport. The river flowed through the valley.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this mixed English grammar quiz and learned something new today. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quizzes and learning content.